Hey, in case you're wondering what I'm doing with all this amazing AMD sheet metal, I've been working on a project and it's going to help my training capabilities and it's going to enhance videos that we have coming up in the future. And it's going to look something like this. Better than a cardboard box. It's an actual car shape. This is a 67 Fairlane front end, or 66. You experts will let me know whether the power domes were 67. I think the power domes were 67 anyway. That's what these things are. But I love the silhouette of a muscle car. I don't care what it is. And the ability to have a rolling stand like this is going to give me the ability to walk students through a real case scenario on what it's like to manage a spray environment. Everything from spraying, hose management, strategy, coatings, all that type of stuff. As well as it's going to give me an excellent platform for a couple of the new videos that I've got coming up and training courses that I've got coming up. So just a little insight as to what's coming in Paint Education. We're hard at work here and burning some metal and some midnight oil, but more coming soon. And by the way, we've got training courses, Paint Education University, all new. Click on the link on the website. Find the homepage, painteducation.com. Talk to you soon.